Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. You feeling fed up? Well, things could be worse. At least Carson Robinson thought so way back in 1948 when he wrote this song, Life Gets Tedious, Don't It? The sun comes up and the sun goes down, and the hands on the clock keep going around. I just get up and it's time to lay down. Life gets tedious, don't it? My shoe's untied, but I don't care, 'cause I ain't figuring on going nowhere. I'd have to wash and comb my hair, and that's just wasted effort. I opened the door and the flies swarm in. I shut the door and I'm sweating again. And in the process I crack my shin. It's just one darn thing after another. Mouse chawing on the pantry door. He's been at it for a month or more. When he gets in he'll sure be sore, 'cause there ain't a darn thing in there. Hound dog howling so forlorn. It's the laziest dog that ever was born. 'Cause howling 'cause he's sitting on a thorn, and he's just too tired to move over. The tin roof leaks and the chimney leaks, and there's a hole in the seat of my old blue jeans, and I ate the last of the pork and beans. It's just, you can't depend on nothing. The cow's gone dry and the hens won't lay. Fish quit biting last Saturday. Troubles pile up day by day, and now I'm getting dandruff. Grief and misery, pain and woes, and debts and taxes, and so it goes. And I think I'm getting a cold in my nose. Life gets tasteless, don't it? Well, this is another song for anyone who enjoys strumming the ukulele but isn't keen on singing. It was written and spoken by Carson Robinson with the backing by the Pleasant Valley Boys in August of 1948. He then performed it on the Grand Ole Opry, and it became a worldwide hit for MGM Records. It reached number 3 on the Billboard Folk Bestseller and the Jukebox charts, and was also ranked as a number 7 record on Billboard's 1948 year-end folk record sellers charts. There's also the Muppets did a version in 2005. It's only got 3 chords: G chord, a D7, a C, and back to G. And there's a pattern. It goes 4 beats of G, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 beats of D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 beats of D7, back to G, another 4 beats, C for 4 beats, D7 for 4 beats, and back to G. And that repeated for all the verses. They're all the same. The little introduction, which is obviously optional, just uses the chord of G. Repeat that top note. Open. Then onto a C chord. Open strings, a D7, playing the second string more louder than the others. Then back to the G chord. Again, playing the ending of the second string. It doesn't really matter if you don't do that exactly right. But and accompaniment, strumming, just straight across. It's sort of fairly boring, because that's what the song is about. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful as usual. and well, have a go at it if you're not feeling too depressed. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.